We're going to show you how to get started on Opeansea.
Arriving at the website, downloading a wallet, connecting it to your profile, and funding it so you can start collecting NFTs.
Let's get into it. So this is the Opeansea website.
Opeansea.io. In the top menu to the right of the logo, you can see you've got Explore, Stats, Resources, Create, a profile picture, and an icon of a wallet.
Creating an account on Opeansea is the same thing as connecting your wallet. If I click the profile picture, it asks me to connect my wallet.
If you don't already have one of these options, we would recommend using MetaMask. So click the button here and it loads up an option for you to download a MetaMask wallet.
When you do this, you need to be aware of a couple of things. It's very easy to set it up, and you just follow the instructions on screen. Write down your seed phrase and keep it safe.
After you've completed this process, you'll have a MetaMask wallet and return to the Opeansea website.
Let's connect our wallet now. Here are 4 NFTs I already own.
You can check your balance or add funds by clicking the wallet icon in the top right.
Hit Add Funds and a new window pops up with 2 options.
You can deposit crypto and it gives you an Ethereum address to do so, or you can click Buy with Card.
The currency you're going to choose is Ethereum because that is what is used when trading NFTs.
You'll then enter the dollar value that you want to buy and click Continue.
A new window will pop up which allows you to connect your MetaMask wallet and pay for this transaction on the blockchain.
You can hit Continue and complete that process, or it's generally cheaper to deposit Ethereum in your wallet.
You copy the address, you go to your Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, etc. account and then select Ethereum and withdraw to that address. So you've now funded your wallet and you're able to bid on NFTs.
If you're looking for something entirely unreasonable, search unreasonable in the top bar and you'll get this lovely collection of dinosaurs, tadpoles and monkeys.
Here's a purple tadpole holding a beer bottle which we could bid on by clicking on it and then hitting the place bid button.
At this point you get some details about the NFT. You have to click I understand the terms and conditions button at the bottom window here, and that will then give you the option to convert your Ethereum into wrapped Ethereum. That's a way of bidding on NFTs that are under auction.
And that's you. Once you've done that, it's a case of hoping that your bid is enough to secure the NFT. It will be put into your account, which of course is your wallet, which you connected earlier, meaning that so long as your wallet is safe and you have those seed details, those NFTs are yours for life.
You can relist your NFTs for higher prices, and at some point in future somebody may come along and buy it off you or make you an offer that's too good to refuse.